In this video we're going to look at circles and pints, and primarily we're going to look at if a pint is inside, outside or on a circle. If we look at this diagram down here, we can see that this pint here lies inside a circle, this pint here lies outside a circle, and this pint here lies on a circle. Okay. So what do we do to find that out? Rather than just, I suppose, drawing the circle, drawing the pint and visually seeing if it lies inside, outside or on. What we do is we take the pint, okay, and we insert it into the equation. And then we work out the equation, and if the number we get after working out the equation is greater than the length of the radius, well then we say the pint is outside the circle. If however the number we get is less than the radius, then the pint is inside the circle, and if the number we get in the equation equals the radius, the pint is on the circle. I'll demonstrate it with these three examples. So, example 1. Investigate if the pint 3,4 lies inside, outside or on this circle. Okay, and this circle is a circle with centre 0, 0, okay, but it doesn't actually matter. So here's what we do. We have our equation, and we take our x value and our y value and we slot in for x and y, so it's 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16 equals 25, 25 equals 25. So after working it out, we see that the equation equals the radius, therefore on the circle. Next one, investigate if the pint 2, 3 is on the circle x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 20. So this circle is a circle with centre not 0, 0. Same rules apply though. Take our equation and take our x value and our y value and slot it in. So we have 2 for x minus 4 squared, and y then is 3 plus 1 squared equals 20. That will be minus 2 squared plus 4 squared equals 20, and minus 2 squared is 4, and 4 by 4 is 16 equals 20. 16 plus 4 is 20 equals 20. So again, this one is on. Okay. Let's just say we slotted in the pints and we got 18 equals 20. But we'd say it's not equal to 20. 18 is less than 20. And if looking back up here, the equation then would be less than the radius. Right? The equation, the number we got out of the equation would be less than the radius. Therefore, it would lie inside the circle. Likewise, if we got 24 equals 20, well, that wouldn't be right. 24 is greater than 20. So the number we got when putting the pints into the equation is greater than the radius, so therefore it would lie outside. Okay, last one. Investigate if the pint 4,1 is inside the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 4 equals 0. Okay, so this, we have the equation of a circle in general form. If it's in general form, we notice that we don't really have a radius there. Okay? In this case, all we do is slot in the pint, and if it says at the end 0 equals 0, then we know it's on the circle. If, however, what we get out for the equation is less than the 0, then we say it's inside the circle, and if what we get out when we put the pint into the equation is greater than 0, we say outside the circle. Okay, so let's go. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 4 equals 0. Slot in our pints. This is our x, this is our y. So we have 4 squared plus 1 squared minus 6 4s plus 4 1s plus 4 equals 0. So we have 16 plus 1 minus 24 plus 4 plus 4 equals 0. And that, getting simplified, is 25 minus 24 equals 0. 25 minus 24 is 1 equals 0. 1 does not equal 0. 1 is greater than 0. And remember, what we slot in for the equation is greater than 0. Therefore, it lies outside the circle. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you.